Welcome back to part 3, how to use GMB to rank in Google Local 3 Packs. To be part of the Google Local 3 Packs, start by creating a Google My Business account. It's free, but unlike what many business owners think, it doesn't replace having your own website. In fact, without a business website, your chances of ranking higher on Google get smaller. If you don't have a website yet, you could use the Google My Business website. The setup is free and quite straightforward. The great advantage here is that most of the information you have included on your GMB website is automatically added to your GMB listing. For those of you who like content writing, there's one more feature to benefit from: Google Posts. Write short posts to communicate with your customers, and these will be instantly added to your GMB website. Apart from text, you can also post images, events, stories, animated GIFs or GIF files, and videos. Note, a custom-made website is still the best option for businesses, as owners can have more control over the content as well as the look and feel of their websites. A Google My Business listing complements a business website by providing the most important information to Google users in the most convenient way. It's the largest online local web directory after all. All the information included in a GMB listing shows up in Google Search and on Google Maps. Once you've created and verified a basic GMB listing, focus on adding all the business information required and making it attractive to searchers. Google chooses which top businesses to display in the local 3-pack based on their GMB listings. Business owners and marketers who have optimized their GMB website and their listings are more likely to feature in the Google Local 3-pack. We hope that you've enjoyed this video on how to use GMB to rank in Google Local 3 Packs. One question we often get is about how to improve existing Google My Business listings. In the next video, we're going to dig deeper into that very question. We'll see you there.